Welcome students. We were studying cubes and cube roots. Today we will discuss on cube roots. Now first we know that cube of 2 is 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 2. Now 2 cube is equal to 8. Now 2 is equal to this 3 goes on 8 and this form is changed as this, and this is called cube root of 8. Cube root of 8. Now or we write as cube root of 8 is equal to 2, and the symbol this is called cube root. Now cube root of a given number n is that number m whose cube is n. Means cube root of n is m, whose cube means n is equal to m cube, or m cube is equal to n, means m cube is equal to n, then cube root of n is m. Now next, find the cube root of a given number. Means cube root given number is 74,088. Find its cube root. Cube root means this value is asking. So first write down the prime factorization of 74,088. Now first divide by 2. Again 2. Again 2. Again 3. Again 3. Again 3. Now 7. Now 7. This. Now 74,088 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7 into 7. Now make the group of 3 numbers of same digit. This and this and this. Every group is completed. Now cube root of cube root of 74,088 is, we have take common from each group, that 2, and from this group 3, and from this group 7. Now this value is equal to 42, means cube root of 74,088 is 42. This is answer. Next, find the cube root of negative number. Find the cube root of minus 2744. Cube root of minus 2744. Now here we know that cube root of negative number is negative, so that is written as minus cube root of 2744. Now write down the prime factorization of 2744. 2, again 2, again 2, 7, 7. Now that value 2, 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 7 multiplied 7 multiplied 7. Now make the group of 3 numbers, this, and from each group we have take common. Now that value and remove that sign. From this group here 2, and from this 7. Now we have removed that sign. Now cube root of minus 2744 is minus 14. Now next, find the cube root of 729 by 1000. Now this value is written as cube root of 729 by cube root of 1000. Now first calculate the value of 729 by prime factorization method. We get now 3, now 3, now that value is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now next, find the cube root of 1000. 500, 250, 125, 25, 5, 1. Now write down here 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 5. Now make the group of 3 numbers of same digit. Now first this group and this group, and denominator this group and this group. Now take the common from each group. Then we remove the cube root sign. From this group here 3, and from this group 3 by from this group 2 and this group 5. That value equal to 9 by 10, means cube root of 729 by 1000 is 9 by 10. This is answer. Okay, thank you.